This is what we call brazing at Interactive College of Technology. There is our fearless leader right there, Anthony Cummings. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is what my $15,000 is paying for. So if you see this on YouTube, this is how you braze. That's called a turbo torch. It's got a tank of acetylene at the bottom. He just swaged a piece of 1/2-inch copper, and now he's brazing it. So all of y'all on YouTube that think this looks cool, just give me a shout out. This is how we do it at Interactive College. This is us representing. Oh, now the man's gonna. This is the man showing us. This is our fearless teacher. He's gonna show us how it's done. There's the acetylene tank right there. Right, you notice he keeps moving it back and forth and doesn't let it get too hot. And then he waits until it gets a cherry red. And then he hits it with the brazing stick, fills it on up. I realize he does that sound. I wasn't listening. This is a full video.
Yeah, I get them hot. Then I bring my flame down to my thing. See, all that up there, that's wasted material. All this down here, that's wasted material.
Okay, so all y'all on YouTube, if this doesn't look like it's done correctly, that was Anthony Cummings with a C. Who just did that.
We got more.
Cummings. He is a teacher at Interactive School of College in Chamblee, Georgia. Oh, this is Ty. Ty's going to try it. Got number 3 here. You get a 3-in-1 deal. This is a 3-in-1 deal. Hell, maybe I'll make my project on brazing and show this on my PowerPoint. I already got my project half finished. I got the video. All right, this is Ty's attempt. You see, he cleaned it, he sanded it. No, he didn't, but good enough. Warming it up.
There you go. This is pie.
Watch, he's going to get it really hot. Red hot. Red hot. You see it glowing. You're either going to move it up and down, try not to burn a hole in it.
Keep it moving, pie.
Keep it moving, pie. This is Dexter that said that, all you YouTubians. So this is Dexter Moses. Say hi, Dexter. Okay. Now he's putting the brazing material on there. Good. Oh yeah, it's feeling good. Perfect job. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. Filled all the way around.
Hang it to
See it
somebody.
all the way around. Nice, tight, and right.
Check it out.
All the way around. And